And there's Clemmy and her 4 babies. There's a story of a bulldog named Clemmy who had 4 beautiful baby dogs. Yin and Yang and Slash are their names, and the chocolate one was Charlie. Here they are, keeping up to date on our babies. I shall zoom in this way. And there they are. How wonderful and how sweet seeing these 4 little babies. And the wonderful little Clementine. Yeah, I'm talking about you, baby. Yeah, baby. She's a good mommy. Yes, you are. Look at that. That's the mean look. If she didn't love you, but she liked me. And her pretty little pink collar, and her 4 little beautiful babies. So I wanted to send some updates on our. If anybody ever does watch this, if not, it's for our own good anyway. This is her second bastion of puppies. As we all know, Isabella is from her first one.